Hey there, this is John Poltrock with the Poltrock team at RE/MAX in Murphy, North Carolina, Murphy's #1 real estate team. And welcome to the online open house of 128 Leaping Trout in Marble, North Carolina. This is literally my favorite listing that I've got right now. This house is incredible and priced at $398,800. It is a very, very good buy for everything that's here. And this video, I will caution you, might be a little long because this home has so much to offer that I don't want you to miss out on all the excitement. And as always with our online open houses, we don't do any fancy editing or make anything different. You're going to see it exactly as it really is, as if you were here in person. It's the second best thing to being here in person. So, with that being said, let's go check it out. And if you'd like to see it yourself, give us a buzz at 1-866-MURPHY-NC, and we will be happy to help you. And again, that number is 1-866-MURPHY-NC. Let's go check it out. One of the great things with this home is the riverfront property. And not only that, it is riverfront, but it also is incredibly private, situated at the end of a cul-de-sac. This entire yard is comprised of 3 lots combined together. This one we're looking at now is the second one. Then you can also see just past the Leland cypress, big trees over there, is your third property. So you won't have anybody on top of you. And as you can see, the paved driveway leads you right to your double car garage. And every detail was thought of here. This home is made out of Hardieboard siding, so it's very low maintenance. It's got a 30-year architectural shingle roof on it. So again, you have very low maintenance, and it is absolutely beautiful. The landscaping is incredible. The Japanese maple up front, in front of the stone that accents the wall. You've got it freshly mulched and beautiful flower bed here. Now, I don't know if I want to take you in quite yet. I really, really want you to see the best part of the house because it's right now around 5 o'clock as I'm filming this, and this is probably one of my favorite times of day. So let's skip the inside and let's check out the outside. We'll go around and I'll meet you at the bottom. Now, here's what makes this property incredible. You've got 3 riverfront lots, as I mentioned, right on Valley River. And this river top deck is just incredible. It's a great way to spend your days. And I want you to see the river frontage for what it is because it's absolutely stunning. And every detail was paid attention to. I don't know if you noticed the stainless steel braiding through here. That is intentional. That way it doesn't inhibit your view. Look at those ducks. I don't know if you can see them or not, but look at them. There's probably a dozen mallard ducks right there. And I'd love to stay here all afternoon, but I definitely want to get you around the property and then let you see how incredible the inside of this home is. Now, as we stand here on the deck, you can see you've got a great spot to enjoy a drink, dinner, entertain, maybe put a little cool fire pit down here. But look how beautiful this place is, and look how much porch there is. You can see the screen porch, which you'll see in just a moment, is literally like an outdoor living room, and you've also got the section that is uncovered for the beautiful days. Down here is very low maintenance with gravel. You also got your concrete pad here. Speaking of fire pit, here is your fire pit. And a nice little storage shed that you could use for storing your tools and your toys and whatever it is you need it for. You also have a walkway leading up to your garage, which is what we're going to go see next. I'll meet you back up top. I definitely want you to see what this home looks like. All right, let's step into your beautiful home. Check out the stacked stone steps. Your sitting porch. And as you enter your foyer, it is such an incredible floor plan, and you'll get to see exactly how this is laid out. But from the moment you walk in, you have the heart of your home, the kitchen to your right. You have your coat closet, but yet you can also step through the foyer, have your space for your guests, which we'll check out in just a moment. and lead right into your living area. And it's awesome. It's such a great open floor plan. You have a dining area, your living area. The fireplace is gorgeous with gas logs. And check out just how tall this home is. Now, one thing I love that we rarely see, but it's such a well thought out design. If you look, you see that circle. Let's see, right there. The home is completely wired for surround sound throughout, and you can see them on the walls here. But let's check out this kitchen because it's one of the prettiest kitchens I've seen. All custom cabinetry, beautiful granite countertops, undermount stainless steel sink, stainless steel appliances. It's got a beautiful sit-at bar. Gas range. And they're all high-end GE profile appliances. Now, one of my favorite features, and my wife is a great cook, and we never have enough space, is this pantry. Look how big this pantry is. You have tons of storage here. You've also got an eat-in space inside your kitchen. Now check this out. Right here on the main level is your laundry room. And as you walk through the door on your right-hand side is yet another pantry. And they use this for small appliances, but look how much space and storage this adds in addition to the pantry we just saw a moment ago. Then you have your laundry room, complete with built-in ironing board here. So you've got your appliances, additional workspace, and a mud sink. So that way when you walk in at the end of the night, you pull in your garage, you can walk right in, wash your hands, take your boots off, whatever you need to do. It's just a very well thought out design. And you can see as you look out the garage doors, it leads right to your paved driveway. There's your mechanical room, and that door to the right leads to the lower level. Very, very well laid out. Now, those of you who love an awesome master suite, this home is entirely set up for main level living. So, we're going to check out the master suite. As you walk in, the room is vaulted beautifully. It has those same surround sound speakers, hardwood floors throughout the bedroom. And as you walk down the hallway to your left and right, you have a his and hers closet, tile floor in your bathroom, tile shower, your commode, and it is a big tile shower. You have your double vanity and a large linen closet to your right. Now, another great feature is it has a huge picture window looking out to your porch and ultimately down on the river, which I don't know if my camera will show you right there. But check out this space. This makes for a wonderful master suite, and it's included with the house is the hot tub. You can step right onto the fully screened porch, get in your hot tub at the end of the day, enjoy it, and then turn around and walk right back into your main level suite. That and the hammock makes for a great space to take a nap, hang out. And this literally is an outdoor living room, this screened in area. You've got a door that leads to the unscreened section over here. But look how big these spaces are here. And there's our friends, the ducks down on the water just below us. And it doesn't show as well through the screen. So let's step out here to this unscreened section. And from here, you can see just how pretty the view is. There's your deck below, and here's your open deck. Let's go back in and check out the main level guest suite. And now as we step back inside, you'll be able to see the guest suite. The guests have it really, really good in this home because the second they walk in the front door, they can easily come into their suite. And what I love is just how well thought out this is. You have a pocket door here. That way your guests can have complete privacy whenever they come to their suite. They've got a beautiful, comfortable room, huge window above the bed letting in lots of natural light. And then they've got their bathroom, easily accessible right here, with a tile shower, custom vanity, and beautiful tile floors. They've also got their own linen closet as well. Now what else is great is on the main level there's a bonus room that can be used for anything you want. But you can use it for an office, you can use it for anything that just really has a need for you and your family. It too has a huge view of the river just below, right through your porch. And you can see just how big this room is. What I love is every room in the house, for the most part, has the surround sound. You can see the speakers above my head. And each room has its own independent volume control on the wall, which is this knob right here. And that's not all. We've got an entire basement downstairs, so let's go check that out. And here we are in the basement, and this is such an awesome room. It can be a giant rec room. You could put a pool table in here. You could set it up like a movie theater. You literally can make this space anything you want to. It's got a lovely stove, plenty of room for a big flat screen TV. It's got 2 doors that lead out to the river. That way you can walk right out to that incredible outdoor living area. The wet bar is a wonderful touch. It's complete with mini fridge. You've got a full bathroom, custom cabinetry, tile floor, shower. It's really a nice, nice room. Got another bonus room here. And any man would love a place to work, or any gal that has some hobbies that she wants to work on would love this space. This little workshop area is right in the heart of the home, so you can work in here year-round, do whatever kind of things that you need to do, use it for storage. This is such a great space. And what's nice is it has doors leading right out to the river as well. Got your concrete slab, and you can see there's our ducks right there. Check them out. They are so cool. If I can get the camera down. They're just down there hanging out on the rocks. They are absolutely beautiful. And again, that concludes our tour of this beautiful house. If you're looking to have a lifestyle on the river, it doesn't get any better than this. This home was completely custom built, and every attention to detail was paid to. So make sure that you come check it out in person. And if you'd like to see it, have additional questions, we're here to help you. Call Murphy's #1 real estate team at 1-866-MURPHY, North Carolina, and that's 1-866-MURPHY-NC. We look forward to hearing from you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and take care.